let's get my camera out. I'm not going to do much special, like there's really not a lot of stuff to photograph here, but I'm trying. Okay. I hope those noises in the background are not too loud, but there's some work being done, it seems. Okay, let's see if I can get a good photo of this road. Since I don't have a proper, what is it? They're like camera mounts or like phone mounts, I think. Since I don't have one of those, this setup is very interesting. It's very DIY. Basically, what's holding my phone, so I have a belt, like a very small belt wrapped around me, and then it's as tight as possible, and then attached to that is like one of those like phone holder thingies, but like those that you put on like tripods, because that's all I have. Let's see, maybe I can get a good photo from here. I'm gonna put the AF on. Okay, that's not too bad actually. And I just had to get my camera a little bit muddy. Okay. I think this is a good spot to photograph. Maybe the road that I came from. Not bad. I think that's good. Nah. Then maybe just shoot the sky with the trees. Okay. This could be a good idea. Looks a bit blue. The road looks a bit blue. Okay. Maybe. Oh, I could do like a portrait here, maybe. Like this. Doesn't look that bad. I think I can get a nice photo here. Like this. Oh, come on. I'm gonna actually go into the forest now. It would be very nice if I saw some birds, or yeah, probably just birds, because other animals aren't out at this time. It is very peaceful though, except for all the sounds, because there's a there's a lot of farmland, like really close to here. Wait. Oh, that's a woodpecker. I can't see it though. That would have been so cool to get a photo of a woodpecker. My hat, my cap was in the way. Okay. Okay. Maybe I could do something with this. Like between the branches. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. And then off the branches as well, maybe. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Oh wow. Oh, that looks really nice. Oh, that's nice. That's a really good photo, I think. Okay. That was a micro car. Those things are... Micro cars are like really goofy in my opinion. I mean, I would never want to be caught driving one of them. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so I'm now here, as you can see, by the main road, or well, the big road. And I also put my camera a little bit higher. I hope this is a good idea. And I thought that since there is a road that goes right soon, and there's like a good biking road there, I could go there. I could also take a picture of this right here. Okay, and this is the pathway right here. Maybe I can see the birds. Oh, I can see one. But can I take a photo of it? Oh, it flew away. Did I get it? I think so. I'm gonna bump up the shutter speed. This okay, this is very cool here. I don't know what this is. Like, I think this is moss. Okay, that is nice. I like that. Okay, I'm here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a big big hill. It's not a mountain. My batteries are about to go empty. I think that looks good. Oh, that looks pretty good. Maybe I'll also take a photo like this, like from down low. I think that's it with this video and so said photo shoot. My cameras are about to run out, so it's probably a good idea to stop now. I think I got some pretty good pictures. Okay, I'll take one more picture. Okay, that's it. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it for now. So bye bye.